keeping things quiet here. I'm going to take a nap.
Well, let's play at something that's quiet, Poindexter.
Like what, Felix?
Where are your toys?
In here.
Let's see them. Wow, you've got a lot of toys.
I'm tired of all of them.
Well, why don't you build a new toy then?
Say, that's a brilliant idea, Felix. Let's go to the laboratory right away. Here it is, the super toy.
Why, that doesn't look like much of anything. It looks so ordinary.
Ordinary toy, eh?
It went into the professor's room. I've got to get the professor back before he wakes up.
Felix, turn the couch around so it will come back.
If I can catch it. That racket will wake him. A music stool. That will wake him. That toy is taking the professor back. No, it isn't. Meow! He's going away on that train. Blue tunnel ahead. It'll knock me off. There's that train curving back again. Hooray! It stopped. And that toy is carrying the couch off. Got him! We're headed right back for the lab. I'll be able to roll him up to his room before he wakes up. Yikes! I can't steer it!
What happened, Mr. Felix?
What happened? That abominable toy you invented made us crash through this wall. It's a wonder the professor didn't wake up.
He must be a sound sleeper. How do you like my new toy?
Poindexter, that toy is a menace to society. It could have killed us. Take it apart. Don't you dare touch me. I guess I scared it. Poindexter, the toy is repairing the hole.
Something is wrong with that toy. I overdeveloped it. We're sealed in.
Let us out.
Let us out.
You can't come out and take me apart. We promise not to hurt you if you'll come in and be quiet. I'll come in. Now I'm in charge here. See? No, you aren't. I am. We'll have to make you harmless. Don't touch me or you'll be sorry. Come back here, you little hunk of tin. Where is that little tin squirt?
I can't keep track of him.
There it comes.
Where?
Right here, big boy. I must treat
tell me to get busy. You're not the boss. I am.
Oh, yeah? What a fight!
Yeah.
They destroyed each other.
My, I sure had a nice, quiet nap. You boys have been very good. I guess I fooled them all right. I wasn't even here. But they must have remained quiet when they saw this dummy of me.